Hello guys, so you're welcome back to today mathematics class for this upcoming WAEC JAMB examination. So guys, if this is the first time watching my video, I'll be mentioning to subscribe, like, and turn the button in case what, if you benefit like this, you then will be the first one notified. So welcome back to today's class guys. So I think by now you should have your pen with you and your lesson note with you. So let's dive to the solution of this question under this topic on subtraction, decimal, percentage, and approximation. That is the screen. According to the syllabus we have on JAMB WAEC, this topic mathematics is also very important. Every year they do a question based on this topic, fraction and decimal approximation. You can do that. They'll set question on this topic every single year. So many students are still finding it difficult to solve questions under this topic. Okay, so that is why I'm here to help you out. So for this our ongoing mathematics class, so if you haven't joined our WhatsApp group, I'll drop the link in the comment section or description of this video, so you can go and click on it, or you can request to come to the comment section and request for the how you can join the group. So I will direct you on how you can join the group. So let's dive into the business of today and what we have to solve for today. So I have 3 questions here to solve for today. This is the first question, and this is the second question, and this is the third question. So the first question is under approximation, the second one is also approximation, and the last one is fraction. Okay, and also I have like 4 assignments. I gave you classwork. It's not assignments. I have like 4 classwork I will also give you. So this is the classwork, 3 classwork also. So the first one as classwork, the second one as classwork, and there's the third one as well as classwork that you should submit immediately after 30 minutes, immediately after the class. Okay, so you submit it 30 minutes after the class. So for correction, if you have any other corrections, so I will be able to correct you. Okay, so let's dive to the our main business of the day. So let's solve the question. So let me bring it back. Okay, so let me solve the question. Now solve these 3 questions. So if we're talking about approximation, okay, we have it many ways, okay, but in this, according to this question, I say express convert to 3 significant figure. We have 0.003597 to approximate this one to 3 significant figure. So that means 3 SF. So we're told to solve. Okay, let me write the solution. So I want to leave the question 1 in 3 significant figure, that is 3 SF. And we're given the question as equal to, we have a 0, okay, now you have 0 points, okay, you have 0, you have 0, 3, 5, and 9, 7. So we have the given question. Now so we are told to leave this one in significant figure. So in solving question on significant figure, it has in 2 ways. The one that is less than, that's greater than 1, and significant figure of a number that is less than 1, and the significant figure of a number that is greater than 1. So the example of this one is a significant figure that is what? That is less than 1, because the whole number here, this is the point, the whole number here is 0, which is less than 1. So if you have a question like this, maybe 4, 5.67 like that, 7 like that to the number. So this is an example of a significant figure that is what? Greater than 1, because the whole number here is greater than 1. I get now. So this is the example of a significant figure that is less than 1. So when you are indicating the significant figure, you start for the first digits. Okay, the first number is 0 is also a digit, but the first number, start for the first number. The first number after 0 is this. So this is classified as the first significant figure. This is the first. This one is the second. This one is third. This one is fourth. So it means that we have 4th significant figure in this particular question. So, but the question says you should leave it in 3 significant figure. Now, this is the first significant figure. This is the second significant figure. This is third. So it means that we stop at this case. So we stop at this 9. So to get our 3 significant significant figure, it will be equal to, you write all this way is study the first one, second, and third. So it means that we stop at this place. So you can say we write it from down here to down to this way. So you have what will be equal to 0.00, okay, 359, okay, that is where I stop. 359 equals to the first, second, and third. Because the question is to leave it in 3 significant figure, and 3 significant figure is equal to what? That is equal to 3, 5, and 0.0035 and 9. Now the next number, we still have the next number, which is 7. After you stop at this place, the next number is 7. So the next number is to be classified as a round-off of number. Okay, that's rounding off number. And we still remember, when you have a number that falls between 0 to 4, it is rounding down. 0 to 4, it is rounding down. And something is rounding down is equal to 0. So because you are rounding it down. But the number that falls between 5 to 9, okay, it is rounding up. Any number that is rounding up is equal to what? 1. So if you look at this number, we have a 1. After we stop at the 3-figure figure here, the next one is 7. 7 falls between 5 and 9, which is what it will be rounding up. And when you're rounding up, it's equal to 1. Okay, so now we have to add 1 to this. Okay, 1 plus 9, that will give us 10. Okay, when you add this 1 plus this 9, that gives us 10. This one becomes 0. So if that's 0, you keep the remaining 1 to the other. 1 plus 5 here, this one becomes, we add the 1 to this place, to this 5 here. Again now, so this one becomes 6. So it means that our series figure, okay, is equal to 0.003. This one plus 5 here, we have 6, and here we have 0 here. So this is the answer to this solution. Okay, this is the answer. So if you look at it now, that is how you solve it. You can look at the option. When you are solving this, you have to be very careful. Here we have a 0.03, this one is cancelled. Here we have a 0.04004, this one is cancelled. We are looking for 0.0036. 360. Here we have 0.030. So the option is option C. If you look at this, it's 0.9. So if that means what we have here, so if you don't understand that the next number you have to consider as a random of number, this is what we just get here, and which is what is not correct. I get down, which is not what is not correct. So you have to consider the next number as a random of number. Then you get your correct answer. Whenever 7, when you round this 7, round it up, is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 plus this 9, that gives us 10. Okay, we write 0 and keep the 1 to the remaining on this 5, that is 1 plus 5, we have 6. So that's I have this. So C is the correct answer to this question. Hope you guys understand now. Okay, so if you understand, you can go to the comment section and tell me that you understand. So let's dive into the second question without wasting our time. So the second question is simplify some of the same question on this, but it's a little different here. So I'll be using calculator here, but let's just dive about it. Let's dive into it. Simplify correct to the three-figure figure. Okay, we have this 27.63 close bracket, we have square, minus open bracket 12.37 close bracket square. So this one, you can use different methods to solve this question here. Either you use what different or 2 square or the factorization, but don't even take you far to that place. Okay, so that is why we have to I have like 3 methods to solve this question in this aspect. But let's just make use, since we have the opportunity to bring calculator into the exam hall, so it's very easy for you. And if this is this question is from WAEC, okay, while the second one here is a JAMB. So in this one you can use a calculator to solve it. So this one 2 points. That is 27.63. So okay, let me just write it out. Let me come and write it out here. So question 2, we have a 27.63. So everything square is the same thing minus, and here we have a 12 point, that is 37. Everything is also that is square. So let me put this one in brackets. Then we have square. So it means that this one is multiplied together. Okay. It means that it's multiplied together. So let me use calculator to solve it, to make it easy and to make the work fast. What you just have to do here, it means that 27.63 multiplied by 27.63, that is the meaning of this one, 27.63 square. It's multiplied by itself in 2 times. Okay, so this one becomes, that is 27.63 multiplied by 27.63, okay, minus this one also is equal to 12.37 multiplied by 12.37. Now, if you used to multiply it now, so let's multiply this one. Let's use the calculator here. We have 27.63 multiplied by 27.63. So the answer that I have here, according to this calculator, we have a 763.41 416.9 minus, we have this minus, so let's multiply this one also. So when we multiply it, it will be equal to it's 12.37 multiplied by 12.37. So if multiply this one, we have a 153.0169 when you use the calculator. Now let's solve it now. So let's subtract this from this. So let's subtract it. This one is 763.41 69. That is what we get here. Minus, we have the minus, we have 153 points, we have 0.0169. So this one we have a 6, we subtracted this calculator, we have 610.9. 610.9, that would be the answer. 0.4 rather, it's 0.4. Sorry, it's 0.4. Okay, now, but the question says should leave it what? Interior significant figure. So this is the example. Now let me try to write it well. We have a 610.4. We have the point here. Let me put it out. 610.4. Now if you want to leave it what? Interior significant what? Figure. Now I say that when this one is an example of physical figure that is less than 1, where the whole number here is less than 1, where this one is greater than 1, because the whole number here is 610, which is greater than 1. Now when you are indicating this, you start from the first number here. This one is the first singular figure. Here it will be second. Here it will be third. Here it will be what? Fourth. And the question said that we should stop at what? At the third was significant figure. So it means that this is 1, 2, 3. This is the first significant figure. This one is second significant figure. And what this one is what? The third significant what? Figure. So that means that we stop at this what? 0. We have here. So you write it that it will be equal to 6, which is first, is 1, 0. Okay, so that is where you stop. Now you consider the next number as a round-off of number, and this number here is 4. And I said it earlier, 0 to 4 is riding down, 5 to 9 is riding up, and when you're writing something down, it means that it is equal to 0. 5 to 9, that is riding top, that's when you're riding top is equal to 1. Okay, so and the number here is 4. When it means that we write it down, which is equal to 0. So it's 0 plus this, we still have for this. So this will be the answer for the theory significant figure or this question. So the answer is equal to 610. So this option is option D. So that is solution to this question, and that is how you solve it. Hope you guys, you find the class very interesting rather. So if you do so, I would like you to go to the comment section and share your feedback of the class. So if you have any question, and I'll say that if you haven't joined any of our WhatsApp group for support, maybe you have any issue with mathematics or issue with our class, you can also contact us through there. We have over 200 to 300 to 400 students already learning with us every day. So don't miss the class. Don't miss our group. Go to the comment section and request for the link, and I'll also add it to the group. So let's dive to the question 3. So let me try to create space. So for the question 3, it's not as simplify. This question 3 is under fraction. Okay, it's under fraction. Now let's solve this question. This is very simple. Okay, it's very simple mathematics. We are dealing with a very simple topic now. So we're dealing with a very simple topic. So let's solve it. Let's simplify 2 whole number 1 over 4 multiplied by 3 whole number 1 over 2 divided by 4 whole number 3 over 8. So we want to simplify this question. It's quite very simple. Now how do you solve it? We can use a different method, but let me use the method you are familiar with. Okay, let me use the method you are familiar with. So the method I will use here, I will first of all convert this order in mixed fraction. I will convert it to improper fraction. Are you get now? So when I convert it to improper fraction, this one, this 2 whole number 1 over 4, I want to convert it into improper fraction. So when I convert it into improper fraction, it means that equal to 4 times 2, that is 8, plus 1, that's equal to what? 9. So that is 9 over 4. So that is how you convert to improper fraction. This numerator multiplied by the means of the whole number. That is 4 times 2, that is 8, plus 1, that is equal to 9. So that is a 9 whole number, and write the denominator back, that is 4. So here we have for 3 whole number 1 over 2. This one is 3. So this one, the same thing I did here. Let's convert it to improper fashion. 3 times 2, that is 6. Times 3 times 2, that is 6, plus 1, that is 7. So we have 7 over what? Write the whole number by the denominator back, that is what? 2. So the next one we have a 4 whole number. We have 4 whole number 3 over 8. So when you multiply together, that is 4 times, that will be 4 times 8. Okay, so 4 times 8, that is what? 32. 4 times 8, that is 32, plus 3, that is what? 35. We also have 35 over what? 8. Write the numerator back. Now we have converted to what? Improper fraction now. So let's, the first one is what? Is 2 over 1 over 4. So let me put it in this way. 2 over 1 over 4 is equal to, improper fraction is equal to 9 over 4 multiplied by the second one, 3 over 1 over 2, and which is what? 7 over 2 divided by, and here we have 4 over 3 over 8, and it's equal to 35 over 8. I get now? Now in this place, now this one is division, okay, here is multiplication. So you can first of all solve the multiplication, or you can do it like this. This one you have division here, so this division here can change to multiplication also. So when you say this division to multiplication here, the fraction here will be inverse of this part. What I mean by inverse of this part, this 8 will goes up while this 35 will comes down. That's when you are changing multiplication to when you are changing multiplication to sorry for that. When you are changing division to multiplication, the second part here it returns to the inverse of it. Why it means that the numerator return to the denominator return to the numerator, while the numerator return to the denominator, and then this division will change to multiplication. So let's quickly use that method. So we have 4 over 4 over 9 over 4 multiplied by 7 over 2, okay, multiplied by, so 8 will goes up, that's 8 over 5. I get now. So what's the next thing you do now? The next thing you have to do here now, you can say is that what can divide it? 4 here, 1, 4 can divide by 8 here, that's equal to what? 2. So 2 can divide by 2 here, this will become 1. Okay, so you can ask yourself, what can divide? This one you have 7. Okay, can 7 divided by 35? 7 can go in 35, right? 7 here, 1, 7 35, that's equal to what? 5. So this one becomes, here we have 1 here because this 2 accounts this 3 here, okay, and here we have 9 here, 9 plus 1 here, that's equal to what? 9 over, we have 5. So the answer is equal to 9 over 5. Okay, we have the answer as 9 over 5. So if you look at the option, because nothing can divide it, 5 divided by this one, nothing can divide it. If you look at the option, that is 5 over 9. So don't make that mistake, it's 9 over 5. Here we have one number, 1 over 5. Here we have one number, 1 over 4, one number, 1 over 4 over 5. Now, and the answer is 9, we get 9 over 5 here. It's not 5 over 9. There's difference between 5 over 9 and there's difference between 9 over 5 and 5 over 9. So don't pick this one as the correct answer. They are trying to confuse you. Now, since the question is in mixed fashion, so you can change this given number here. This is proper fashion to mixed fashion. How do you change that? How many 5 divided by 9? So how many 5 can you see 5 in 9? That is 1. You can see 5 in 9 in one time. That is the one whole number. So when you say 5 for 9, it goes to 1 times. So now to get your remainder now, 5 minus 9, that's equal to, that is equal to 4. That is 4 over the numerator, that is 5. Okay, so when you multiply this one together, 5 times 1, that is 5, plus 1 plus 4, that is 9. So we get some back. So it means that 9 over 5 is equal to 1 whole number, 4 over 5 as the mixed fraction. And the option is option D. Guys, hope you guys got this thing. It's very simple, right? So that is how you solve this question. That is how you solve this question. When you see a question similar to this, it is a common WAEC JAMB examination. That is how you solve it. Hope you guys understand, hope you guys enjoy the class. So if you enjoy the class, I would like you to go to comment section and say you're enjoying it. And I say that if it's the first time watching my video, or you haven't joined my Telegram channel, you haven't joined my WhatsApp channel where you can interact with us if you have any issue with mathematics, so you can ask for the link in the comment section or go to the description of this video. You'll see the link that directs you to the our WhatsApp group, or ask for the link in the comment section. Thank you guys. Don't forget, it's very important, you that are joining for the class, very important. I have the assignment here I gave you earlier. So can you see the assignment is for both class, for the significant figure, here is also significant figure, and solve it and submit it within 30 minutes after this class. So for correction, guys, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn the notification button in case we have benefit like this. You definitely be the first one notified. And also, if you are watching us for our Telegram, our Instagram, if you are watching us for our Instagram and TikTok and Facebook page, please take 1 minute to share this video with a friend and family. God bless you, and I wish you all wisdom, knowledge, understanding as you share this video with a friend so they can benefit from this class. Thank you. Let's move to the next class of today.